Math Simplified for 10th Standard, Algebra, GCD and LCM of Polynomials, Exercise 3.3, Question 4. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Given the LCM and GCD of two polynomials, PA and QA, find the unknown polynomial. So here they have given us the value of LCM and GCD and one polynomial. Okay, and we have to find the value of the other polynomial. So here let's do the sum. Let's take the LCM. This is a polynomial. We are going to factorize this polynomial. First, what we are going to do is we are going to find the value of A such that this polynomial becomes 0. The value of this polynomial becomes 0. So that number we need to find, and we have to do trial and error method. So how do we do this? The last term, the factors will be 2, 5, 7. Okay, so you have to do trial and error method, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 7, like that. If you substitute and if you find out, you can find out the value of A. So after trial and error, we found that A, when you put A is equal to minus 2, this polynomial becomes 0. So the factor will be A plus 2 is a factor. Now these kind of sums you have done in 9th standard. 9th standardல நீங்கள் படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. இந்த மாதிரி sums நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. நீங்கள் அந்த வீடியோஸை அந்த சாப்டர்ஸை நீங்கள் கொஞ்சம் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். நான் வந்து வீடியோக்கு லிங்க் கூட கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நீங்கள் அந்த லிங்க்கை யூஸ் பண்ணி வீடியோஸை கூட பார்க்கலாம். அது வந்து இட் இஸ் வெரி சிம்பிள். யூ கேன் ஈஸிலி அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் அண்ட் யூ கேன் அப்ளை தட் பிரின்சிபிள் டு find the factors of this kind of polynomials. Okay, கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் வந்து 9th standard textbook நீங்கள் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு தான் நீங்கள் LCM and GCDயை கேர்ஃபுல்லாக செய்ய முடியும். ஓகேயா? ஸோ இங்கே வந்து நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு ஃபேக்டர் கிடச்சிருச்சு. நம்ம A வந்து -2 சப்ஸ்டிடியூட் பண்ணால் இந்த polynomial வந்து 0 ஆகிடும். அதனால this becomes A plus 2 is a factor. Okay, so let's write down one factor and write down the polynomial here. If you divide the polynomial by its factor, you will get the other factor. So let's do division of polynomials. Again, division of polynomials you have studied in 9th standard. கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கும் எப்படி polynomials டிவைட் பண்ணோம். By chance you have forgotten, please go to the video. Very simple short videos நீங்கள் குயிக்காக ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். 9th standard வீடியோஸ்க்கு லிங்க் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஓகே, ஸோ A plus 2, you're going to divide this by A plus 2. So here the A raised to 3 divided by A will give us A square. So let's write down A raised to 2. Now this you should multiply like the full divisor, the full this polynomial. Okay, so it will be A cube plus 2A square. Write it down like this. It should be aligned properly, then only you won't make mistake. Now change the sign and add. This will get cancelled out. Minus 10A square minus 2A square is minus 12A square. Right, bring down this as it is. Then take the first term here and divide it by here. You get minus 12A. Write down minus 12A here. Multiply minus 12A with this expression. You get like this. Change the sign and add. This will cancel. 11A plus 24A is 35A. Write down 70. Then 35A divided by A is 35. So plus 35. Multiply this expression with 35. You get like this. Change the sign. It becomes 0. Once it becomes 0, this is, you have to stop the division. This is the other factor. Okay, so you got two factors. So these are the factors of this expression, and this is the LCM. So let's write down like this. GCD also they have given one polynomial, they have given. Okay, now you apply this formula. PA into QA is equal to LCM into GCD. That means product of the two expressions is equal to LCM multiplied by GCD. So one expression you know, write it down. This you don't know, you have to find out. LCM you just now found out, here it is, and GCD here they've given. So now this will get cancelled with this. So QA is equal to A plus 2 into A minus 7. That is the answer. So here is the second sum. Here they've given LCM as this expression. GCD is given as x square minus y square, and QX is this expression. Okay. So now let's take LCM. And let's now factorize this. This we are leaving it as it is. This when you factorize, we are splitting the middle term. And then this is a perfect square. So x square plus y square the whole square minus xy the whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. That will be a minus b into a plus b. Again, this is an identity which you studied in 9th standard. So here let's write down plus x square plus y square plus xy. This will be x square plus y square minus x square. This leave it as it is. Okay, now you have factorized it, the LCM. Okay, now GCD leave it as it is. QX also leave it as it is because it will get cancelled. Unnecessarily don't need to factorize. We can factorize this, but we are not doing it because it will get cancelled. So here write down the equation formula and then substitute what you have found out. Okay, this is the GCD, this is the LCM which we calculated. This has been given to us. So here this will cancel, this will cancel. What is left is x square plus y square plus xy into x square minus y square. So this is the answer. So ரொம்ப simple sum, LCM and GCD, provided you know how to factorize. ஸோ ஃபேக்டரைசேஷனுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் உங்கள் நோட்ஸு அதை ஒரு வாட்டி நீங்கள் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோஸ் நான் லிங்க் கொடுத்துருக்கேன் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில், அந்த வீடியோஸும் பாருங்கள். உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சிம்பிளாக நீங்கள் இந்த சம்ஸை நீங்கள் செய்யலாம் ஒன்ஸ் யூ ரிவைஸ் யுவர் ஃபேக்டரைசேஷன்.